Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Till date, I have done some videos based on Android mobile phone. From today, I'm gonna make videos from computer. In these videos, we'll be learning about web designing using HTML. I'm gonna make some videos on it, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. First of all, I'd like to open Notepad. In this video, we'll just learn some basics about HTML. Now, we'll learn something about tags. What is a tag? A tag is a piece of code which acts as a label that a web browser interprets. It's like a language that we convey to the web browser. After that, we'll learn about syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is nothing but a rule which is enclosed by greater than and less than symbol. This rule conveys the web browser what to be interpreted. A tag is enclosed by greater than and less than symbol, and it has an opening and ending also. Ending will contain a slash in it, but opening will not. After that, we'll learn some types of tags, and that first one is empty tag. Empty tag is nothing but a tag which has only starting but not ending. It only has a greater than and less than symbol and a syntax within it, but it don't have the ending one with a slash in the middle. Another type is container tag. This tag has both starting and ending. The syntax is enclosed by greater than and less than symbol, and it also will have ending. Now in this we'll learn how to design a basic web page. Okay, I'll start with HTML tag. After that, I'll insert a head tag. This will be the heading of your HTML page. It doesn't matter if you enter the rules in capitals or small letters. Anything will work out. And I'm gonna add title tag. Anything which is enclosed within title tag will show as the heading of your HTML page. I'll name my web page as my first website. After that, I'm gonna add body tag. In this body tag, whatever you write in this body tag, this will be displayed on your web page. Here you can write what you want to convey to the visitors of your web page. After you enter the rules and your typing is completed, we'll just save the file. Just click on file and select the option save as and name your file, and don't forget to give an extension as HTML. If you don't give so, your file will not open in web browser. After you do so, just save the file and go to the location where you have saved the file. Just open it. After you open it, as I have said, you'll be able to see the heading of the web page, and you'll be able to see the content which is written on the web page. Okay friends, that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel for more videos.